Hi, my name is Rob Scott from UC Today News, and in this session, I'm joined by Mark Bunnell, who's the Chief Operating Officer from NUWAVE, and Todd Surdey, who's the Head of Global Channels and Business Development at Zoom. And today we're going to be exploring Zoom's Distributor program for partners and how NUWAVE are streamlining the experience for partners who are looking to fully leverage the Zoom phone and bring your own carrier offerings. So welcome, everybody.
Thank you, Rob. It's great to be here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, good to see you both. And why not? Let's just dive in. I mean, Todd, a really great place to start with a session like this would be just to kind of explain the Zoom partner opportunity, I suppose, and certainly why it's in high demand. Can you expand on that for us?
Yeah, of course. And again, thank you for having me and us here to talk about this. It's obviously a important topic near and dear to Mark and my heart, and we're super excited about our partnership and where we're going. You know, as the industry really moves towards a platform-based solution, when you think of UCaaS and CCaaS, partners play a valuable role in educating customers on the benefits of the platform, like Zoom. And by understanding and showcasing the wide range of capabilities of the platform, partners can enable businesses to really enhance their efficiencies. How do you do a better job of collaboration and overall success, while these partnerships are creating monetization opportunities for themselves, building out Zoom practices, if you will. You know, another way to really say this is partners can offer guidance on how to leverage Zoom's platform to streamline workflows and improve team collaboration, enhance customer engagements, and boost overall business efficiency. They can help customers really understand that, a diverse range of use cases or best-in-class use cases for them that can really help their teams when we're trying to collaborate, virtual events, training sessions, customer support, and so much more.
Great stuff. And Todd, more specifically, how can partners profit from using Zoom's platform?
Yeah, that's a great question. Deploying a one single platform for communications, collaborations like a Zoom really enables partners to manage their time and resources more efficiently. And at the same time, they're building on a powerful economics of scale and including, a know-how of how they're building their ability around the technology and best in class for deployment and an ongoing support. As you all and we all know, in 2023 and for however long we know this is going to happen, everybody is being urged to really accomplish more with less, customers and partners and vendors alike. And we believe that Zoom provides an excellent platform for customers and partners to really standardize and scale off of their communications and collaborations. Our mission at Zoom is really one platform that delivers limitless human connection. And so really powerful for us, the Zoom all-in-one collaboration platform really enhances that engagement, the prioritization, and the connection with new effortless ways to interact. And it really gives time, and that's the key word here, Rob, time back to connect and drive outcomes, with data and or AI.
That's fantastic. And going over to Mark on this one, Mark, as a key partner of Zoom, what benefits do you offer to other partners, and what types of partners would you would find this most beneficial, do you think?
Yeah, I mean, without saying everyone, I mean, we really kind of solve all use cases. And what we're really doing with our partnership with Zoom is really streamlining that process. I mean, that's what is built into our DNA and how we go to market and how much we value the partner community. Whether you're an MSP, SI, operator, all of them have and need a Zoom practice. To give the flexibility and everything with the platform, with all the things that Todd mentioned, it really is the platform of the future. And so, we really want to make sure that partners can get up and running very quickly, that they understand, every step of the way and getting, set up. And then what do you do day two? Now that you've been set up, you've been trained, how do you support your customers very efficiently moving forward? And that's what, we strive to provide our customers at scale, is that practice day two, being able to offer up other services, being able to, very seamlessly turn up a customer from having zero account to making test calls in 10 minutes, along with purchasing your licenses and doing your deal registrations and all of those things that go along with the Zoom program, while enhancing it with other carrier related features that NUWAVE is known for. All putting that in the hands of every individual to very quickly be able to assimilate and understand how easy it can be, and then be able to have that moving forward. So again, we're super excited about this partnership with Zoom and what we can do together.
That's great. And Todd, how crucial is it to have a partner like NUWAVE on board, and what has been the response from other partners been like so far?
So I would, start here. Our NUWAVE partnership and what we have done thus far is a huge game changer for not only partners but customers. By combining, the capabilities of NUWAVE's communications and Zoom platform, partners are really empowered to offer a comprehensive, adaptable voice solution in the market. And this partnership really allows partners to cater to a wide range of customer demands and ensuring that businesses can leverage the full potential of the Zoom platform while benefiting from the expertise and support of NUWAVE Communications. The net of this is the collaboration between NUWAVE Communications and Zoom really enhances the ability for partners to provide a more flexible voice solution available today. And I would take it a step further that it just enhances and it's an ease of use. So how do you go through and make something quick, effortless, and it works? That's what's happening here.
That's great. Mark, anything to add to that? Because I know you've already touched on, making it simpler is key to key to success. But how's it going so far?
I mean, it's going really, really well. I mean, we're onboarding partners, every day now, getting them educated. I mean, with us, it's not just the service itself, but it's the support, it's the documentation, it's the training modules and programs, whether that be training your sales staff on how to sell, not only sell Zoom and understand what Zoom and all the feature sets that are there, but how do I provision it and administer it and I pilot, being able to give customers and partners alike, full training and support all the way through so that, they're not wondering, how to do something. And so it's much deeper than just the technology. And I think that that's a lot of times that's overlooked in how do I use and how do I sell and how do I, sell with and through. And so all of those things, we put a lot of painstaking information together to make it really engaging so that people can get up and running very quickly.
Great stuff. And in terms of the proposition and, what can, I suppose you've already mentioned it there somewhat, but the types of features and functionalities that you kind of bring to the table for partners. Could you take us through those, please?
For sure. I mean, really what we look to do is anytime there's a blocker, anytime someone says, I don't know if I'm ready to adopt Zoom Phone, and we say, well, why? And then when they tell us why, then we take that in, we develop it, and we put that out. And that's the reason that iPilot is so robust today is feedback from our customers and our partners that say, we really want to adopt these services. And so, when it comes to analytics or CDRs or real-time graphs or provisioning, call recording and the service itself and having the visibility for other applications and things, I want to procure my numbers. I want to make, emergency calling super simple. I mean, the list goes on and on. We're working also on the integration of Zoom Contact Center, and so, whenever you look at these use cases and I want to migrate from my legacy phone system to Zoom, but I want to be able to control that myself and I want to be able to move and change the routing. And so those are where, the other things come into play from a technology perspective and not having our partners have to be super technical, right? Is making that easy button where, you don't have to have an engineering degree to run your phone system. We really made that simple all the way through so that you can just concentrate on adopting and using the service and getting, the ability to enhance that through our technology and just being able to click, things like disaster plans, if there's ever any outages or issues, you can just one button click. I want to execute my disaster plan to have some survivability options. All of those things came from feedback from customers, and we've just been able to build an interface that makes it super simple to basically have anything that you want on demand.
Great stuff. Well,
I would also add to that, Rob, if I could, something that Mark lightly touched on is just the quality of the people and the overall teams from start to finish. And what we're seeing is the partners that they're bringing on or that are coming on to really execute on this or experience this been nothing but world class. So we're extremely grateful and humbled by this partnership as well.
It does sound like a superb partnership. So, Mark, I mean, when can partners expect this to be available and how can they get started?
Oh, it's available now. We're going like crazy. We're already onboarding tons of Zoom partners. So yes, come in now where we can get you set up immediately, and the process through our partner enablement program is very seamless, and you'll know where you're at all along the way. So yeah, we appreciate it.
Superb. So I'm afraid that's all we've got time for today. However, Mark and Todd, it's been great talking to you. Thank you so much for taking me through everything.
Thank you, Rob. Have a great day.
And that's it from us. If you're new to UC Today, subscribe. If you're not, then do give us a like or a comment or even share this video on social. It's always appreciated. I'm Rob Scott from UC Today. Thanks for watching.